Hey guys, welcome back and happy Sunday. Today I have two very easy DIYs for you. It's Keep It Simple Sunday, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. It's just a couple of little storage ideas that I saw something online that reminded me, like, you know what, I think I can make something similar, and I just thought it was really cute. So what you're gonna need is these baskets from the Dollar Tree, or any baskets. They don't have to be like these specifically, but I had this one on hand, but again, you can use a basket, a little box, or anything that you want. And I'll also have one of the waste baskets because I figured that'd be kind of cute to kind of cover it up. So I'm going to just show you very simply how I did that. And then what I'm going to use, so I'm going to have this one. I have this cutting board. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. I was actually using it on my die cutting machine because my plates just weren't enough, and it worked perfectly, but I bought a new one and it has plates. So I'm going to use this, and then I have this wallpaper that's from the Dollar Tree, the newer ones. It's like the really long sheets. I pre-cut it, most of it except for this corner here. I pre-cut it because I'm horrible about cutting evenly, so I wanted to get it as even as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cover up this. Now, if you have one that's good and, it looks good, you can leave it just like this, and then you can just add a little knob to it and you're good. But because mine looks so horrible, we're going to cover it up, and I'm going to cover this side up because it's worse than the other side. I'm just gonna put that on there. Start with one side and then, oops, see, you gotta make sure you get it on there good. Let's see, can you guys see me? Okay. So today is Keep It Simple Sunday, as I mentioned. Today my co-host is Brenda over at Rustic and Lace DIY. If you guys are not subscribed to her channel, if you haven't seen her channel or any of her videos, be sure to head on over and, okay, apparently I can't talk and stick. Head over to her channel and check it out because she is talented. She is so amazing. I'm so glad that she agreed to co-host with me this month. And there is a playlist, so be sure to check out the playlist as well, because you are going to get some inspiration, some simple inspiration this Sunday. I think it's important to kind of remember that crafting doesn't have to be hard. Crafting, you don't have to have all the special tools and all the things just to, just to craft, just to make something pretty. You can use what you have at home. You don't need all the special tools. You don't need, oops, sorry about that, guys. You don't need all the special tools all the time. I mean, all the tools are fun. Don't get me wrong. It's nice to have them, but you don't need them just to make some cute home decor and something simple. I mean, as I'm showing you right now, this is, $2, $3. You got yourself a cute little storage decor piece that you can sit anywhere pretty much. And I didn't cut it as even as I thought I did. But here we go. So, and you can use sandpaper too, just to kind of clean off the edges, but I don't have a piece of sandpaper at my disposal currently, so I'm just doing this. So here we go. So you got yourself a nice little piece of wood there. And again, if you have a cutting board that doesn't have all these little indentations in it, go for it. Use that. Now you can either leave it like that and just put it on as a little, as a little cover, or you can do what I'm gonna do and get yourself a cute little knob. This is from like Hobby Lobby or Walmart or something like that. And I'm just going to hot glue it on. If you have like a cabinet knob or a drawer pull or something that you want to use, you can do that, and you can screw it in. That way it's, more permanent, more fixed on there. I'm just going to eyeball it. I don't measure because that's just what I do. I'm just going to put it on there and clean up any glue that kind of came out the edges there. And that's it. You got yourself a cute little storage container there. And then I'm not going to lift it up yet, but there you go. And then you can put anything in there. You can store, you know, scrunchies, hair ties, anything, makeup, anything like that. You can put it in your kitchen and hold a couple of onions and or something like that. So that would work. I'll take this out of here because I don't need this anymore. Then same idea with the wastebasket. If you don't like the idea of your trash can being open, you know, uncovered, this is going to be a good, you know, idea for you. So I have my wastebasket, and again, it doesn't have to be this one specifically. It can be a plastic one, a basket woven one, anything you want. So you can use, ooh, that was loud. You can use one of these, what are these things called? The stovetop covers, the burner covers. Again, I'm using that same wallpaper stuff. I'm so horrible with sticking. See, look at that. I can't even get it on here straight. Let me do this. Hold on a second. Do that. Then I'm going to let that piece fall on there. So at least I know. Stick that on. And then we will pull. And you don't have to use this wallpaper. You can use shelf liner. You can use any kind of like scrapbook paper that you might have. Just glue it on there. So many different options, so many things. Dollar Tree has some really cute shelf liners that just came out too. So if you want to, you know, use shelf liner, again, you can use anything that you want. You can paint it. You can do just about anything. And I think that looks so pretty. And you can either cover this, you know, take some more of it. If I have any, you can take this and kind of cover up the edges if you, oops, can you even see? Here we go. You can cover up the edges if you want to. I kind of like the white on there, so I'm going to leave it just like that. And then you have yourself a cute little, no, you can't really see it because it's kind of big for the screen, but you have yourself a cute little cover. Now, if you can't find these, you can get yourself a Dollar Tree like round sign of any kind. Now, this is a Dollar Tree sign, but I take off. I don't like seeing all of that on there, so I took it off, and I can't get this stinking label off. So I'm going to put that on the bottom, I guess, and then we're going to use this shelf liner. I mean, not shelf liner, wallpaper, because I have it, so why not? And then we're just going to do the same thing, kind of line it up at the bottom here. That way we know that is all lined up. Let it kind of fall on there. Bam. And there's going to be some to clean up because, again, I don't know how to cut even. So, and then, where's that? Where are you? There we go. And these wallpapers, I've had them for so long and I haven't used them. I'm like, why haven't I used them? They're pretty. They're huge sheets. So, figured I'd pull it out and use it here. I would usually use like a credit card or something, but I couldn't find my gift card that I usually use. So you just scrape it on there, get all the little bubbles out, and then you have yourself another cover. So of course, you know, oops, sorry. You can do whatever. And if you want to put like a little, oh, I was going to pull that one off of there. If you want to put a pull on there, you can. But just, or this could be a cute little table too, like an end table, and then you can put some little handles right here, and that way, you know, you put it next to your bed or next to the couch, and you can put like a drink on there, and then you have some extra storage if you want to put like a blanket in there, and that way you have a blanket next to your couch or anything like that. That would be really cute. And of course, you know, you can cover this up. I just decided to put it on the inside, but you can get another piece and just kind of cover that up. But I thought that would be perfect. So guys, that is it. That was as simple as it was. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stick around. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and be sure to check out Brenda's channel. Subscribe over at her channel and check out the playlist because you're sure to get some really simple inspiration on this wonderful Sunday. So you guys, until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.